Hi, this is Nirmal here. I'm the trainer at MCBT College, Automotive students.
Mr. Nirmal, what is the most excited thing students will learn in this course?
Actually, in Australia, everybody has a car. So students, they really want to know like how to service and diagnose their own car, as well as like they can take it as a profession. Here we teach in a live workshop, so they get to experience all the different cars and models with all the latest technology tools and equipment.
At MCBT, our automotive course goes beyond the basics. Students will explore cutting-edge techniques in vehicle maintenance, learn to troubleshoot complex issues, and gain insights into the future of automotive technology.
If you want to learn automotive, with trainer and high-end equipment, so just come and enroll to MCBT.